Hi everyone. Welcome back to the TokenClan Crypto Talk Show. So we are going to start on time today, and today we have a very special guest, and I'm going to interview him on the crypto market outlooks for 2021. Now let's get started. First thing, TokenClan Talk Show introduces you to industry experts to talk about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. In the past show, we have hosted many successful people to our talk show, from a multi-million portfolio fund managers to a CEO of a blockchain-focused public listed company based in the US, BTCS. I was invited by Alternative Blockchain Group based in Helsinki, Finland, to speak on the subject of Bitcoin halving in May 2020. We also interviewed a senior lecturer from Block Degree who have lectured from Crypto Valleys, Switzerland to our Nanyang Polytechnic in Singapore on blockchain technologies. And just last week, we interviewed a group of Axie Infinity's trainers and breeders who started off knowing little about crypto, but since playing Axie Infinity, they have become very involved in the crypto gaming world that I ever could have imagined. In our weekly YouTube videos, we share DeFi projects that we found them to be unique and interesting. We are largely focused on the technology and innovation the DeFi team are driving, as I personally believe that if I learn to immerse myself in the world of technology, the money will follow. With the expertise and experience of our invited guest speakers, we hope to bring you the new and interesting perspective of cryptos and the blockchain tech. If you like more crypto contents like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram. Now, first of all, I want to introduce you to ZB.com. If you have been following TokenClan since 2019, ZB Exchange should be a crypto exchange that is familiar to you. But still, I want to take this opportunity to introduce ZB. If you are hearing ZB Exchange for the first time, ZB has been operating since 2013. This year is their 8th year in operation. Not only is ZB one of the world's longest running exchanges, it is also one of the biggest crypto exchanges today. The crypto platform has 15 million users worldwide. The platform and services are available in 12 different languages and processed over $160 billion in trading volumes since its inception. ZB has offices in Dubai, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Russia, South Korea, Hong Kong, Switzerland, and the United States. Unknown to many, in ZB's 8th year of operations, the platform has not had any single type of securities incident. This reputation and brand is not an easy feat to manage and live up to, in my personal opinion. This key important trait plays a part in the success of ZB Exchange today. I want to highlight a few key milestones in the past 12 months accomplished by ZB. March 2020, ZB was granted by Monetary Authority of Singapore under its Payment Services Act exemption list to operate cryptocurrencies related businesses during the exemption period. And shortly, 20 days later, ZB was also granted a similar license to operate cryptocurrencies related businesses in the US, called the Money Service Business License, MSB in short. In Jan 2021, an article on Forbes reported ZB is one of the 4 most popular crypto exchanges in China. In CoinMarketCap 2019 annuals, ZB token is one of the top 4 exchange tokens listed in the exchange coin categories. What this essentially means is that ZB token was one of the 4 exchange tokens that were representative of the entire crypto exchange industry in 2019. In my book, Crypto Assets for Passive Income, I shared why I am a big believer in crypto exchange coins. I bought my first ZB tokens in December 2018. Since then, I have never regretted hodling exchange tokens, even at times when crypto markets were bearish. In 2020, these crypto exchanges were successful that they are now launching their own blockchain networks. Be sure to stay with us throughout the full interview today as you hear it firsthand from Omar Chen on the latest ZB developments that I'm very sure we are the first few people in the crypto world to know ZB plans moving into 2021. For people who are looking to participate in ZB upcoming products offerings and smart chain DeFi developments, you need to open a ZB exchange account right now today. And if you want to get some ZB tokens, ZB exchange will be the best place to buy and sell these tokens. To open an account, you can easily scan the QR code found on this slide, or you can find the exchange account opening links on the description box right below this video. It takes some time. I believe you should open an account and today, and you will find out about why I told you to do so. But again, you don't need to put any money. It's not financial advice. You don't need even to buy exchange tokens or what. But having an account will put you in the best position should you decide to participate in any kinds of DeFi's later on, especially happening on ZB Exchange. I met Omar in person at my book launch event in 2019. Omar is one of the crypto pioneers in Asia operating in full public view. Be sure to follow him on Twitter and LinkedIn. His social links are also found on the description box right below. As CEO of one of the top crypto exchanges in Asia, we shall tap his brain in tonight's interview and find out his thoughts on the crypto markets moving into 2021 and beyond. Omar made some pretty bold statements in an interview 1 month ago relating to Bitcoin prices in 2021. Here are a few predictions Omar made in that interview with Crypto Crate. Bitcoin will break above 100K US dollars in 6 months. He made this statement in July 2021. The next statement, Bitcoin will rapidly spread around the world by 2025. That means mainstream adoption. Now let us find out more from Omar Chen, CEO of ZB Exchange. In the next 20 to 30 minutes, we shall hear him share his thoughts on Bitcoin, DeFi, and NFT moving ahead into 2021. Hi, Omar.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Hi, good. Yeah, I can hear you. Well, I can hear you well. Good to see you here. Thanks for joining into this interview tonight.
Okay, long time no see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time. I saw the picture last time we together in Singapore.
Yeah, that was in Singapore. So can you introduce yourself and tell us about ZB Exchange and why ZB Exchange means so much to you?
Okay. Thanks, BK. It's my pleasure to have the interview with BK now. And I actually, before I joined the crypto domain, I worked in Huawei about 10 years. I worked in the Middle East and North Africa in Huawei. And then in 2017, I joined in this domain, and I actually, at that moment, I'm the JBG co-founder, also the JBG CEO. And after 2.5 years, the JB.com acquired JBG. So, and I moved to JB, become the JB Group, the JB CEO now, until now. And so this is my experience on crypto about from 2017. And actually, I'm honored to work in JB Group now because the JB Group have a lot of new products like the smart chain, like the futures, and we also set up the global branch like in Switzerland, in Dubai, in Malaysia, and also maybe in the future in the South America, like maybe Argentina or other place. We will plan to do open another new branch in there. Okay, and so it's my introduction. So for BK, any question?
We'll talk more about ZB Smart Chain later, so we will definitely have time for that. So let me ask you. So since you worked in the crypto industry and why it has to do with crypto exchange? So can you share with us more?
Yeah, because actually before I work in crypto exchange, I have a short time work as in the traditional investment like the PE VC about the short time about half year. At that moment it's 2017. For the fundraising in the traditional way, very difficult. But for the crypto, very easy. So at that time, I found a new space. Oh, it's good place. Then I moved to the crypto domain, and then I'm lucky to be the JBG co-founder as a JBG CEO. Then this is the reason. It's maybe some opportunity.
Okay, so you make some bold statements in an interview 1 month ago. So you said that Bitcoin has bottomed out at 30K this year, and you have predicted that Bitcoin will exceed 100K in 6 months from now. And then can you tell us how did you come out with these predictions?
Okay, so let's show one picture. Can you help me show one picture?
Okay.
I will share our analysis about the Bitcoin.
Is this the one?
Yes, this is circle. You will see the circle here. You will see here, actually, let me explain the chart. Here you will see, we can consider on the every circle. Every circle, like every halving and halving 1, halving 2, halving 3. And so let's check here, and we will see the price, especially let's focus on 2013 here. And 2013, now the top price is about $1,000. In 2013, the top price is 1,000.
Is this the place?
Yeah, 2013 top here. It's 1,000.
Am I on the right? Am I on the right place? And did I point to the right place?
2013 top. You see 2013 top.
Let me just orientate myself. 2013 top. Yes, here.
Yes. Then you see here. There's the 1 point here is about they reach the top price is $1,000. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So in another halving, another 4 years is another cycle. Every cycle in the future is about 4 years. And then you see in 2017, the top price, 2017 top price, the price already hit, it's already hit $10,000. According to this cycle, I estimate now currently you see the price and the time. Maybe after 2 or 3 months or 4 months, according the chart, you will see maybe the price will hitting on the another 10 times. Every cycle will be a 10 times. That's 2013 is $1,000. And then after another cycle, 2017, the price times 10. So become the 10,000. On this analysis, at the end of this year, should be 100,000. So this is my estimate. Also the opinion like other. Okay, so this is the one picture. And let's move to the second picture. Okay, this is a picture from Glassnode. Actually, Glassnode, we also will see another index. This index about the CDD. CDD means coin days destroy. Actually, the coin days destroy is one index to show the Bitcoin holder normally how many days they hold the Bitcoin and then sell the Bitcoin. For example, if I have the one Bitcoin, I hold 90 days, then I sell. This means 90 coin days destroy. And we will see the graph here. Every bottom here, every bottom, we will see every bottom here. Yes, this is always the time ready to be bullish. You will see, if in the bottom, this means currently the market already passed the bearish. Now it's a bear. Then after maybe about 3 months or 2 months, then we will continue to do the bullish market again. So currently, we are in the 2021. Now we will see after maybe here, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I guess the market will come to bullish again. This is my opinion. So the price will be higher than 50K, 60K, and more. So maybe we'll reach about 100K. So this is also another index to showing the. This is my estimate. Maybe after within the half year, the Bitcoin price maybe will hit on the $100,000. Yeah, this is so all is my share here. And next page. Can you see share the next? Yes. Okay. And here is about the history, the time and the increasing rate. Normally, we will checking the history. When we see the last time the bullish market already in here is about I think it's 2017. That moment already I think it's increased 5 times more at that moment. And then in currently 2 months, I think the price from July and till now, and the price will keep on the 30K to 45K is about 2 months. And then after these 2 months pass, then the price according the trend, we were thinking in the future it will come to the 60K and 70K in coming 1 or 2 months. And then so all this index showing according the history trend, I thinking the price will be 100,000. Okay.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, I get what you are. I get this. What you are. I get how you derive this figure. And
yes. Okay.
and also
So next
yeah.
question.
And also let me just change back to that and also in the previous interview you also talked about stock to flow. So I believe that you also analyze the stock to flow. You also analyze it to a certain extent, and that's how you derive that 100K. Is that correct, Uma?
Yeah. Okay, continue.
Okay, then I think I should have said this earlier. I need to tell you that these are just personal opinions. These are not financial advice. So
Sure.
you should do you.
Yes.
So for people who are watching this and you are taking any singular source of reasons for you to make some investment decision, you should seek more persons. So you should do more of your research and due diligence. So let me move on to the next questions. So some crypto influencers in the space are saying that the next year will be a bear market for Bitcoin. What are your thoughts on it, Omar?
Actually, the Bitcoin, there's some season about the Bitcoin, sure. Every 4 years is one cycle. And within this cycle, sure, we have the summer, we have the winter. And for my opinion, the bear market, it depends on three factors. The first factor is the global economy. Currently, according to my opinion, especially on the USA, currently the liquidity, the traditional liquidity, still okay. And then also because the COVID let a lot of government they need to consider to thinking first maybe need to keep the money with the liquidity, and then to maybe this government will still keep the inflation. This is no choice to do other, because the COVID let a lot of laid off, let a lot of factory shut down. So on this case, with a lot of countries still need to thinking how to support the people living. So on this case, they still need to provide a lot of service. And on this case, the inflation is there. On this case, so the COVID is the currently this year and next year the factor. And the second is about the USA currency, the policy. If they increase the interest, then maybe will impact the global economy, and then the price, especially for the risky assets such crypto. According the traditional market, they thinking crypto is the high risky assets. On this case, the high risky assets will impact immediately. So it also this second one is the USA their policy.
US
Economy.
interest rate,
Interest rate. This very interest rate in policy. This is very important. And the third one is the I think it's a global regulator. Currently, different countries have a different regulation. For example, like 4 months ago, 3 months ago, in China, they make the announcement and let all the miner cannot stay in China to do the Bitcoin mining. So it's impact the Bitcoin price at that moment. Impact the price about, then the price go down, and in the bottom about $23,000 at I think recently and 4 months ago. And this is like the global regulator, different country the regulating policy. This is the third factor. With these three factors together, then we will thinking the bear market will come or not. According my opinion, currently we can estimate by quarterly, because if you consider yearly, it is so long for the crypto. 4 years is one cycle, but for quarterly it's one season. Yeah, we don't think the whole year is like the whole year is the winter. No, maybe one quarter is the summer, another quarter is the spring, another quarter is the winter. Yeah, so it change cyclically. So, as my opinion, currently still good, still okay. According our exchange, the trading data, also the newcomer data is okay. And I thinking the bear market maybe will be 9 months or 10 months later, not now. So still have the 6 months, and this good time. It's my opinion.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, sure. So in 2020, let me just conclude. You talk about based on a few factors and then you analyze, and next year probably there's a quarter that may be bearish, and then there may be still good times also, but on and off we are going to see ourselves around 6 to 9 months of summer times of crypto, and before we may see some bearishness in the market. So moving into the next question, in 2020 it was the growth in DeFi projects such as Compound, Sushi Swaps that power the bull markets not long ago. So in the past 3 months, from my personal observation, it seems that NFTs are now leading the crypto markets. So what are your thoughts on NFTs?
Actually, NFT is a good thing. NFT let more people know about the crypto. Let more artists join this industry. Before we buy crypto, maybe only for the finance, but currently after NFT coming, the NFT, this new product or the new concept coming, more and more different internet industry, the people will coming here, like not only the artists online, also the GameFi, like a lot of traditional, the international game, they also will use the NFT token to make the blockchain game. This game will have another concept. This concept, play to earn. So on this case, the NFT actually now currently let the Ethereum ecosystem become stronger and stronger. Okay, this is my opinion. Thanks.
Okay, just so I just now did not phrase my question correctly. So that was my personal observations. I'm not sure if you agree with me, but so happening right now in this current market conditions, what are your thoughts on the trends right now in crypto? I personally see as NFT is one of the leading trends that is leading the whole market right now. So what are your thoughts? Yeah.
My thoughts as my opinion, my thoughts is also the same actually. NFT, I thinking they already make the Ethereum ecosystem stronger and stronger. The NFT concept let the more different traditional internet industry player coming here. So this is especially in the future, there's another traditional international internet industry, like for example, like the AR and VR. they also will combine with NFT to be another new thing, to be another crypto market. Okay?
Yeah.
You got it? Okay.
Yes, so let me back to the crypto markets questions. Is the current bull market similar or different to the previous bull market you have experienced?
Honestly, actually, I think for my side, I think it's different because last time when I come in this domain, last time all the bullish market based on the ICO. Then a lot of ICO project, a lot of scam project, a lot of shitcoin. Yeah. And then, but still have a lot of good token surviving. The last time the bullish according that moment is ICO. And then after 4 years, another cycling for the Bitcoin. Currently, the bull market little different compared 4 years ago. Last time, the people buying the Bitcoin, most of based on the not for the instructor, the buyer, but now currently the buyer is more like the government, public company, private company. A lot of buyer for a big company. We call it strong hand. For other small one, we call it weak hand. Weak hand always easy to sell, but for the strong hand, like the big company, they will not easy to sell. They always buy it and hold it, and then for hold it or for like holder for a long time. So they hold about 2 years or 3 years. So this let the market bullish keep in long time, not like 4 years ago. 1 month pumping, another month dumping, pump and down, pump and down. Now we see here stably up, like this one. Even some country they supporting Bitcoin as the fiat. So this let the situation, I think, is a little different. So this is my opinion. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So you said that a few countries are doing that. So I read from the normal crypto news. I've seen I've seen some articles talking about Cuba wanting to introduce some kind of crypto payments. I'm seeing El Salvador, and I'm seeing some South American companies. So what are your thoughts on this on these countries, like them using crypto as a form of crypto payments?
Actually, for some country, if they cannot control their local currency easily, sometimes they use the USD as another backup currency. But according the USD currently inflation, maybe so they will choose another currency or another assets to keep it. So on this case, so some small country they will choose maybe Bitcoin as the backup. So this time, so you saw the news, Cuba or some, maybe also the Argentina president also thinking to do this. Yeah. So this and more country in the future they will try to use this way as my understanding. Yes.
Okay, coming to this, I'm very excited about what you are going to share. What are your ZB plans for the coming months? We are reaching the last quarter, the fourth quarter soon. But I think, what are your plans for ZB in the coming months, the remaining months of 2021? Can you share with us?
Okay. So ZB Smart Chain actually we already have plan. We'll currently. You are the first KOL to ask me this question. I'm honored to answer you. Yes, and we just finished the testnet launch, and later I will send you the GitHub link. Only few people know we just finished the testnet.
Testnet. Yeah.
So you can let your friend to test. Then our smart chain, the name is DEX, DEX. Like the name look like decentralized exchange. Yeah.
Okay.
And domain is dex.io.
Dex.io. Yes.
Yeah. After domain name, after maybe 3 weeks, we will see the website there. But currently just on the internal text. But for the smart chain, the protocol, also for the smart chain, the API already ready in the GitHub. So everyone, if they are the programmer, they're easy to search on the GitHub to see this one. Okay, and we have the milestone for the JB Smart Chain. After 1 month, we will launch the mainnet. After mainnet, we'll hold about yearly hold a hackathon. Then we will involve more and more people will join our JB ecosystem. This is our plan. And currently, we already set up office in Europe and also set up office in the North Africa. And we will try to find more community to join us. Okay. So any detailed question you want to ask about the smart chain?
Very simple, just simple questions. So ZB Smart Chain. First thing, ZB Smart Chain is a blockchain network. So for many of the viewers here, if you want to know, it's like another blockchain network. Can I understand that it is EVM compatible, Ethereum virtual machine? So this smart chain runs on a EVM compatible, right?
Right. 100% support EVM because currently the different smart chain, I think, also support EVM. This is a basic requirement. Also, because the Ethereum ecosystem very strong. All the people maybe they first issued token just from the Ethereum. So the support EVM is very important. And our JB smart chain, the architecture actually we based on a Polkadot. But Polkadot we also support a cost change. So on this case, we added the EVM support the Ethereum virtual machine. On this case, we'll let more and more people directly join our ecosystem. And we just need to provide more service for them and let them come into our smart chain. Okay, so EVM.
And very quickly, so for the testnet, are there any dApps on the testnet that we can actually play around with the test tokens and so forth? I'm also in development, so I'm pretty interested in the testnet and see what I can do with that. So I will believe that some of this information can be found on the GitHub repo, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm very excited about it, and I'm not sure about you, but if you are as much as I do, then you make sure that you have an ZB exchange. And Omar, can I check with you that the gas token will be ZB token or it will be a different one?
I will share the information to you. You are the first one to know the information.
Okay. So yeah, okay. So please let us know more. So
okay. I will share the economic system to design to you. Okay, it's a very interesting topic, and you have a lot of good information. And first, we make the chain name. The smart chain name is DEX.
DEX.
Yes? DEX. Yep. And then the DX chain, they will have this will have a negative token. It's DEX token, DEX COM. This COM will be the gas. but we have the first the app or first very important smart contract. This contract is JSwap. We will use the JB token to doing the JSwap transaction fee. So on this case, the every DEX at the beginning you need to buy from the JSwap, this decentralized exchange. So every DEX you will buy from the JB Swap, the JSwap decentralized exchange, and then our DEX smart chain we will design like the long-term IDO. We will have a 2 years IDO, and every block you will get the DEX. This DEX in a very good price, like the a bottom price or floor price, maybe $1.5 or something. Even in the outside market, maybe $10, $20. But if you continue to go to the DEX smart chain to get the IDO, you only need to get to $1.5 or the bottom price to get the DEX token. And on this token, you need to, if you want to mining this DEX token, you need to first you need to deposit the DEX token to mining DEX token. Like the Firecom, we design the economic system like the Firecom. So on this case, you need to go to JSwap to buy the DEX. You will use the JB token to buy the DEX token. It look like the cost chain, the access mapping. You need to use the JB token to mapping DEX token.
Yeah, sure. So I think I learned a lot. I extract. I'm not sure about you, but I personally found a lot of very key information that Omar has just talked about, and I hope you get it too. So yeah, thanks Omar for sharing. I want to quickly move on. I think you talk about one of the DApps that is going to happen once this mainnet is launched. So that's ZB Swap. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to Dex.io. A lot of things would happen, and usually based on my past observation of other chain launch, the first few ones are usually the most successful one. And to Omar, I'm really very excited for you. I really like to see Zach be very successful. And moving on to my next question.
Okay.
Maybe this will let you come back to ZB Smart Chain. Many people complain about Ethereum, high gas cost and the scalability issue, the transaction per seconds, like 50, 60s per seconds. So what are your thoughts on that? In spite of everyone complaining, but we are still seeing the gas fee keep increasing. Like today is 100+ G-Way and so on. Why are people? People are still using them. So will ZB Smart Chain solve some of these challenging issues?
Yeah, sure. The gas fee is high. So this is also an opportunity for different smart chain like Binance Smart Chain and JB Smart Chain, because the Ethereum gas fee is high. So some startup, they cannot easy to support or for this gas fee, especially also for the beginning operation. It takes a big cost. So on this case, the smart chain will have a opportunity. This will be a window, about a 1 year's window. On this case, so why JB also launched the smart chain? We also want to help our developer. We also want to help the global community. So sure, our gas fee is very low because currently the DEX, even the JB token, even the DEX token, I think the price still is like the bottom price. We didn't let our ecosystem come in. But after our ecosystem coming, I think on the smart chain, this will maybe after 12 months or 16 months, then you will see the total difference. A lot of people will use the different smart chain as a backup. So currently you will see one DeFi project. They will going on the 2 or 3 smart, one is on Ethereum, another 2 or 3 on the smart chain to keep different channel to have the user. Okay.
And coming back to the next question on blockchain networks. So we see many blockchain networks launched in the past 12 months. And then ZB Smart Chain will soon join the list. So what are your views on the future of a multi-chain crypto space? What do you see?
Multi-chain crypto space. Yeah. Actually, this is the, how to say, let me think, this will definitely happen. Why? Because the every big community, every big exchange, they will do their smart chain. So on this case, there's so many smart chain, maybe Binance smart chain and the JB smart chain, and then the user, they will going. For example, for JB, we have about 10 million subscriber. We have 10 million user. For example, Binance have more. Then different user, they use, maybe they currently exchange smart chain, but then these two exchange smart chain, they will do the transaction. Sure, the multi-chain will be here. So this is a multi-chain in the future, sure. So also another name is cross chain, like Polkadot, like Cosmo. They doing the cross chain, multi-chain there, and also cross chain let the different chain to do the asset transaction. This also another way. So this is what I'm thinking. Thank you.
Okay, let me ask one more question further.
Okay.
So do you see that we are now in the stage where many people launch their smart chain networks, and then we are going to see another period of phase where major consolidation will take place, and then where it becomes from 10, 20 smart chains to one or to a few. Do you see that future happen? Or you see that we like it or not, it's cross chain, we will have to handle multiple chains?
According the internet the rule, or the internet like the competition way, normally like as 20 years ago, a lot of protocol there, but now you only remember the HTTPS, you only remember HTTP, you only remember SMTP. A lot of protocol die, nobody use. So on this case, the same. Maybe you will see 100 different smart chain on something, but only in the future, maybe only will have only 5 or 4 there. Other will step by step, they will disappear. The people will move to which one is more convenient, which one is more community. They will doing on this way. So currently, maybe we will consider in this 1 or 2 years, because the Ethereum, the gas fee is so high, there's a window. So many smart chains there, and so many other chains there, maybe 100, 200. But after 2 or 3 years, you will see maybe only 5, only 6. There's no a lot of, like the crypto exchange in 2017 and 2018 in Asia, it's about 1,000 crypto exchange. But after 2 years, a lot of crypto exchange died. So only surviving maybe only 30, 40, look like this one. Already 970 crypto exchange already died. This is the thing. Okay.
Yeah, so we are still in the fast growing pace of smart chain launch and DeFi project launch. So and it's exciting time for me. As much as in the past 12, 18 months for me, there's a lot of learning to do, but it just so many that it just keeps on going. But for me, I really enjoyed this kind of pace and I learned to get used to it now for crypto.
Okay.
Then coming back to ZB token, I think you just now you have already shared a few. What utilities can we further see from ZB tokens with the launch of ZB Smart Chain? And I think some of these questions were already asked, but maybe you want to share with us your opinion on ZB tokens. Again, it's not a financial advice, but for my case, my first utility of ZB token is for the discount transaction fees. That was the first singular utility for crypto exchange. So I love that concept very well, and I see that with the launch of Smart Chain, there comes many more utilities. Can you share with us a few?
Okay, I will share a little. Okay, because I have detailed the whole map. But according to company policy, I cannot talk a lot. Okay, I will talk what I can talk. Okay.
Yes.
First of all, the JB utility way, not only for the VIP or transaction fee deduct. In the future, also it will be like the smart chain. They have a different function, also some different model. They, especially for example in DeFi in the future, maybe JB will be different DeFi model inside in there. For example, for loan or for borrow with the JB token, this also is one chance. And another, the JB token will also the JSwap. JSwap is decentralized exchange, and in this decentralized exchange, the JB token will be burned in the JSwap. So this also one design on there. So on this case, you see a lot of utility in the JB token. Okay.
Thanks Omar for sharing that, and I really learned a lot, and also in fact Omar was very generous on his sharing. If you have catched what I have catched earlier, so I was so surprised that you actually share so much.
Okay.
Really thanks Omar for your time and for your time with us tonight. So we have come to the end of this interview, and I hope you have learned so much, and you also have hear from Omar firsthand on ZB's and his latest offerings at ZB Exchange. And so at TokenClan, maybe we would like to end this call right now. And Omar, you want to share some things about ZB before we end this call?
I think it's okay. I already share all, so just say goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Thanks. Okay, Omar. Okay, thanks for joining us, and we'll look to the see you. So we'll look forward to the next TokenClan Crypto Talk Show, and for all the links, be sure to find out in the video link description box right below for Omar's social accounts. They are all found there, and all the reference links that we have discussed are also there. And yes, that's the end. We'll see you again. Bye.